Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to take a screenshot, so let's see how can you do this. There are some different ways. The first way is that you just have to scroll down in Control Center and you'll get the screenshot option here. Just tap on it and then select screenshot and it will take a screenshot of your whole screen which you have opened. And after that is the second way. You must have to enable the settings. So go for settings and then look for shortcuts and accessibility here. In the accessibility you will get the super screenshot or screenshot option. Just select it and then you must have to enable the settings which is gesture screenshot. After enabling that, just read the description which is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. So you must have to swipe down with your 3 fingers just like this and it will take a screenshot for you. So try this. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot, and after that just go back, go to main settings and then open shortcuts and accessibility, and here just scroll down and look for easy touch. You must have to enable it first and you will get gray dots just like this. You must have to tap on it when you want to take a screenshot and select screenshot from here. It will take a screenshot. You can easily overwrite or edit it here. So that's how you can easily take a screenshot on Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.